Okay, so let's have a little bit of a look at a bundle of soaps that we would recommend for a start-up, and we include this bundle available, obviously, when we put a skid system together. So we've got the Hoppo's Mix package here, 3 of the EBC in 5 litres, and we've also got the diet marked and the scented apple grip out of the USA. Really, really good product, been around for quite a while. We've sold a ton of this stuff, and it gives you that dye mark and the capacity to be able to just mask the fragrances associated with the soft wash mixture. So that's an absolute must. Now, should you want, we can change that out for one of maybe 3 or 4 other surfactant solutions that you might want to choose to use, whether it be the High Clean Swag, whether it be the Swash, which is our original traditional plain white surfactant, or whether it be the Swapple. All of those also available to go into this bundle should you want. The Swab is a brightening solution for getting rid of those tiger stripes on guttering, and also for brightening some colour bond, or those painted metal surfaces where we just want to try and get a bit of a lift out of something that might be sun affected. Really, really good product for that. It's also been recommended for use on a Luca Bond, the aluminium decorative panel that's available. We've heard, and we've had some people use this product on that. We've also seen some pretty good results with that as well. The Swan is a neutraliser for pre or post spraying of the site once you've done a wash, and we want to shut down the effects of sodium hypochlorite, or even just washing down our own vehicles and our equipment, just to make sure that we're neutralising as best we can the effects of sodium hypochlorite around our gear. We can do that with the Swan. So that's a little bit of maintenance, and also a bit of guarantee on the job to make sure that we shut down the effects of chlorine. Glide, really, really nice, simple to use window cleaning solution, whether you spray and rinse, or whether you want to put that into a bucket and use it as a more traditional window cleaning solution. Then Glide. What we've also seen a lot of guys do is they'll make up a batch of their soap for putting the soap stalk into on the soft wash kit, and then they'll add a couple of capfuls of the Glide just to really help that release and the drying of windows, and the results really incredible. They come up a hell of a lot better with a little dab of Glide inside. And of course we've got the Swam. Now Swam is our moss, mould and mildew. It's a biocide, really easy to apply solution. What we do is we dilute the Swam 10:1, or on the systems that we've manufactured, what we can do is simply put the soap stalk into this solution, set our dial at a 6, turn off our sodium hypochlorite, leave our water on 100%, and just pull that straight out of the bucket and apply that directly to the area that we want to treat. Really, really easy way to use our Swam. So we've got the biocide on board, we've got a window cleaning solution, we've got a genuine soft washing combination that's available. We've got the brightener and oxidised remover in the Swab, and also getting rid of those tiger stripes. And we've got a bit of maintenance, and also just shutting down the effects of the sodium hypochlorite that we might have. And of course, I mentioned earlier that we'd be talking about EBC. EBC, low foaming degreasing solution. What's good about low foaming is when we've put it down on a hard substrate to surface clean, and I run my surface cleaner over it, I don't generate a great amount of foam and soap from the actual cleaning process, and I can manage and control that, how I pick it up, how I put it to grass, or put it to sewer, or whichever way I'm going to deal with my waste. And I've got a lot more control over it because it doesn't have a great deal of foam in it, and I don't need to use a lot of water to push it around or clean it up. Not only that, it's a very good cleaning agent. So good cleaner, low foam, easy to use. That's what we like about the EBC. So that's the bundle that we might look at. So if you're interested in bundling something up with your purchase, then just let us know. We'd like to include it. We'll include that on our website, and it'll also be in some of our training as well.